Hello everyone, this is the Gerunds versus Infinitives test. This video is a test on gerunds and infinitives. In each question, you will need to choose which one to use. In some questions, you can use either one, so be careful. If you need to review anything about them, please watch the videos I recently made on them. There are links to each of these videos in the description of this video. Okay, are you ready? Here we go! Number 1. And the answer is, Robert taught Lisa to play the piano. We use the infinitive to play here with the verb teach. Okay, it's a past tense, taught here. Okay, number 2. And the answer is, please don't forget to feed my cat while I'm away. This is another one of those verbs. This is forget is the main verb, and it needs the infinitive here. Does not take that gerund. Okay, number 3. And the answer is, Maria avoided answering questions about her husband. This one takes the gerund, the verb avoid. It's the past tense here, but avoid only takes the gerund. Okay. Number 4. And the answer is, Henry and Ron enjoy playing basketball on the weekend. The verb enjoy only takes the gerund. Okay? Number 5. And the answer is, Clara likes paying her bills online, or Clara likes to pay her bills online. Just so you know, the verb like will take either a gerund or an infinitive. All right, number 6. And the answer is, Frank chose to work for that company because it was close to his home. The verb choose, in this case it's chose because it's the past tense, will only take the infinitive. Okay, so remember that. Number 7. And the answer is, she wanted to move to Sweden, but then she changed her mind. In this case, we use the infinitive to move because the verb want, now this is the past tense, wanted, only takes the infinitive. Okay? All right. Number 8. And the answer is, Susan risks making everyone angry with her offensive statements. In this case, the verb risk only takes the gerund. Okay? Make a note of that. All right, number 9. And the answer is, they are determined to finish the project by the end of next year. The verb determine, in this case it's determines, the past tense, takes the infinitive. All right, number 10. And the answer is, Chris agreed to help me with my homework. In this case, the verb agree, it's agreed is the past tense used here, only takes the infinitive. All right, number 11. And the answer is, it tends to rain in London very often. The verb tend here only takes the infinitive, and tend means something that occurs regularly or frequently. And London is a good place to use as an example of somewhere where it rains very often. Okay? All right. Number 12. And the answer is, do you hate working on the weekend? Or do you hate to work on the weekend? This verb hate, we'll take both, the gerund or the infinitive. It's something to remember, just like. Remember the verb like? That also took both. So try to remember, all right? Next is number 13. And the answer is, Oscar refused to go on vacation with his parents. In this case, the verb refuse, it's the past tense, refused here, only takes the infinitive. Okay, number 14. And the answer is, we tried opening the window, but it was too difficult. Or, we tried to open the window, but it was too difficult. In this case, the verb try, it's the past tense, tried here, will take either the infinitive or the gerund. All right, and the final question, number 15. And the answer is, Kathy began to learn English about 2 years ago. Or, Kathy began learning English about 2 years ago. The verb begin, in this case it's began, will take both the gerund or the infinitive. So just try to remember that. Okay, that's all for this video. Please let me know how you did in the comments section. And thank you for subscribing and watching this video. And remember what I always say, keep practicing. See you next time.